Ladies and gentlemen, just coming in from the Great Barrier Reef. Bring some salt on the camera. We left Joe and Curtis back in Cairns at Opar to do some repairs to the cars that they needed to do before they head home. While us boys went and enjoyed the pleasures of the Great Barrier Reef. It's absolutely beautiful. And that's pretty much where the Cape trip ends. We've got to do a few Ks home, but the group will be splitting. So we've already had a few fly home, a few walk home, and a few go back on the back of a trailer. But that's okay. 5 cars went, 4 cars came home, 1 punctured tyre, multiple cruiser repairs, and we lived to tell the tale. Can't wait for the next trip. We'll start planning to get home, and it's been bloody brilliant.
So Curtis, what's been going on today while the boys have been out at the reef?
Yeah, so while the boys are out at the reef, finally decided to fix this kingpin, which has given me some havoc. It's been loosening itself off for a while, and it's finally snapped a stud. And I thought that it's about the time I disassembled the knuckle and we fix her up. So at the moment, as you saw, the knuckle's completely disassembled. There's a lot of water in the grease, so I'm just removing it all now, and I'm going to put fresh bearings in the kingpins and probably wheel bearings as well, and then build it all back up again. And yeah, should be sweet to go.
Beautiful. See how it plays out.
Flat, everything's just along like.
Hello.
What have we done here, Joe?
I have well and truly destroyed my belt. Lucky you got a spare.
What's the time though, Joe?
Too early to be working on a car on the side of the highway.
You're damn right, Joe. You're damn right.
Trying to make Rockhampton, maybe 1770 today, but that was a rig. Maybe not. We just left Cairns about, what, I don't know, 20 minutes ago?
If that.
If that. And she is shredded.
Awesome. Thanks, Joe.
So you might remember last time we were travelling in the Moo, kind of travelling in the Moo, there was oil pissing out the side of the engine, and for some reason the engine still runs like a dream, but oil just pisses out the side, so we decided the engine just has to go. We did figure out why this engine runs so smoothly. It's because the Isuzu's so well built. They've got liners inside the block for the piston. So we think that the engine mount's broken through the casing of the block, but hasn't quite broken through the chrome liner yet. But we'll see if we can't fix that problem today, hey?
Fingers crossed.
I promised you last time when we were going back to Cape Flattery that you'd see the mill and the limiter, and we're about to bloody see that.
Yeah, no, it's getting a little more fuel.
Zero throttle input.
Serious?
Yeah.
I'll do it again without touching, like, foot's off the throttle.
Oh, I better wind that out a little bit less.
I don't know, I kind of liked it. Maybe it's a little shy on boost though. We wanted to blow it up, right? So just walk away.
Just walk away, it's just buzz.
That was the best. I smell the oil.
What's that wastegate doing?
Yeah, I feel like we should disconnect it.
Problem solved.
Alright, well, turns out we didn't need any accelerator to almost blow this thing up, so we're going to have a little bit of fun. Wind out a tad. Alright, let's see what it does there. Videos from Merriman Diesel come out lately about safe tuning of cars and making sure you've got appropriate air fuel ratios. I think we got it about right.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, Alec, what'd you do?
Come on. Oh, that doesn't look like coolant very much.
I actually think we blew a radiator hose.
So do I.
Oh no.
Did it stop?
Yeah, no, she turned herself off. Perfect timing though.
Oh, right in front of the camera as well.
That's one way to clean it.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a $500 moo. It is smoking the arse out of it. There's smoke coming from the turbo, the radiator, wherever smoke can come from, this engine has it coming from it. But it was a lot of fun to take all the way to the top and back. It was a lot of fun to put on an RACQ truck and get anyway. It was a lot of fun just maxing the boost out in this thing. What do you reckon, boys? $500 Cape Challenge success?
Yeah.
Bloody success.